Is your Stremio setup feeling a little fractured because your favorite add-ons have stopped working? Let's get them humming again. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Stremio and its add-ons rely on a stable connection. Open your web browser and try visiting a popular website, like Google.com, if it loads slowly or not at all. The issue might be with your Wi-Fi or internet provider. Try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for about 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. If that doesn't help, you might need to contact your internet service provider. Next, we'll clear Stremio's cache over time. Temporary files can build up and cause conflicts. Navigate to the Stremio settings menu. Look for an option related to cache or data. Select the clear cache option. This will remove any corrupted or outdated temporary data that might be preventing your add-ons from functioning correctly. Outdated add-ons are another frequent reason for problems. Stremio often pushes updates to its add-ons to ensure compatibility and fix bugs. Go to the add-ins section in Stremio. You should see a list of your installed add-ons. Look for any add-ons that have an update available and click on the update button for each one if there is no explicit update button. Sometimes simply disabling and then re-enabling the add-on can force a refresh. Sometimes an add-on might be incompatible with your current version of Stremio, or server-side issues can affect its performance. Check the official Stremio community forums or the add-ons specific page if available for any known compatibility issues or announcements. If an add-on is consistently not working and none of the previous steps have helped, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling it from the add-on catalog again. This can resolve corrupted installation files. By following these steps, you'll be back to a fully functional Stremio experience in no time.